So it's about jumping in, using the tools. What's like a good roadmap if you had to give somebody, if they're going from 0 to 1 to ramp up on all these tools, like which tools should they try first, in what order?
Yeah, I think first just understanding the concepts, and then tools. I think everyone should just develop one AI agent, and there are a lot of different tools. You can do that with no code flow builder. There are many out there. I was actually trying yesterday the new Lindy AI. Very, very, very impressive. At IBM, we have a tool called Langflow as well, which is like low code flow builder experience as well. At the end of the day, if you see each of those tools, they still require you to understand the concept of AI. So I always recommend start with the concepts and understand what is an LLM, understand what is reasoning, understand what is RAG, and some of those things. And then use any of those tools that give you like the building blocks, and just think about one use case that you have in your own personal job or life, and then try to solve it, and try any of those tools. And then if you want to go deeper and deeper, I think it depends on the role. If you are into leadership, I think there is a lot of education about how you inject AI into an organization and change management and so on. If you are more on a practitioner practice in different domains, I think you will have a lot of agentic solutions that can help you speed up your work. So there are a lot of different options.
I hope you enjoyed that short clip. You can check out the full episode here.